Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable red receipts on Messenger. Now let's begin. As you can see, I've already installed the Messenger app on my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now. Well, as you can see, I've logged in. So, if you have not, log in right now. Now you can disable red receipts for either a single person or for everyone else. Let's look at both of them. Right now, I'm simply gonna try to disable red receipts for my friend Tom right here. I'm in the chat with Tom. Right here at the very top right, here's something like an info button that's I just click on it. And something like this will pop up. Just scroll down till you find something like privacy and support. And right here, here's the red receipts button. Just click on it and toggle it off. This is how you disable red receipts for a single person. Now let's look at how to disable red receipts for everyone else. At the very top left, here's a button with some 3 lines. Just click on it. Something like this will open up from the very side. From here, just click on this gear-like icon, that's settings. Once you've clicked on it, this page will open up. Just scroll down till you find something like privacy and safety. It's right under preferences. Just click on it. Now this will open up, that's the privacy and safety tab. Just scroll down to the very bottom and right here, under the what people see tab, you will find something like red receipt. Just click on it once again. From here again, toggle this button off. And there you have it guys. That's how you disable red receipts on Messenger. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you disable red receipts on Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.